Hello everyone. So second phylum that we will discuss in this video will be Coelentrata. It is also known as Cnidaria. This Cnidaria word is given because they have nidoblast cells, which is also known as nidocyte or known as stinging cells. So they contain poison. For their defense mechanism, they have this ability. We call them Coelentrata because they have a body cavity known as coelentron. So this coelentron is their body cavity. Okay, so we will discuss about the general features now. Okay, the first is habitat and habitat. So see, one thing is very important that they live in fresh water and they are marine. Other than that, they are solitary. They love to stay alone, or they may be in the form of colony. Okay, and you will also see that some of them are sessile and some of them they are free living. So there are a lot of examples that we will see later on. Another is the level of organization. So they have tissue level of organization for the very first time. We have discussed in sponges that they were having cellular level of organization, which was very primitive. From here, we will see tissue level. Germ layer, they are diploblastic. They have only two germ layer present, ectoderm and endoderm. So mesoderm is completely absent in them. So you will find ectoderm and endoderm. There is no mesoderm. I'm putting a cross here. Okay. Now coelom. Since they have no mesoderm, there will be no splitting. If there will be no splitting, there will be no formation of coelom. So they are acoelomate. Okay. Then body plan. They are blind sac because they are having a single opening by which food will come and waste will go out. So they have a single opening. So obviously digestive system will be incomplete. Talking about symmetry, they are radially symmetrical. Body can be divided into two equal halves from any plane passing through the center. Okay, now segmentation, they have no segmentation. Notochord, there is no notochord present in them. Okay, now digestion, like I told you before, digestive system is absent in them, so digestion is incomplete. But you will find the digestion will occur inside the cell or outside the cell. The digestion can be intracellular, it can be extracellular. So it can be both. Internal and external fertilization, you can see both of types. Now, talking about respiration, circulation, excretion, respiratory system is again absent in them. They are primitive organisms, although there is some advancement as compared to the sponges. Respiratory system is absent, circulatory system is absent, excretory system is also absent, but still they perform all the important function via diffusion through their body wall. But proper systems they are not present in them. So nervous system. So this is very important. For the very first time you will see the presence of a type of neuron which is known as apolar neurons in them. So these neurons will arrange themselves to form a nervous net. So for the very first time you will find this type of arrangement of neurons in this type of phylum. Okay, now reproduction. See, proper reproductive system is not there, but you will find the presence of both asexual and sexual reproduction in them. So we can say that they are bisexual as well as they are unisexual. Both the types of mode of reproduction you will see in them. Now fertilization can be internal. It can happen inside the body, it can happen outside the body in the water. So it can be internal or external. Likewise, development also can be indirect or it can be direct. There will be maybe formation of larva or there may not be larva. Sensory structures, some of them they have presence of tentacles. So tentacles basically they help to capture the prey, and these tentacles they have the sensory structures in order to capture the prey. So they have tentacles to capture prey. As well as some of the members they will have the presence of balancing organs. So those balancing organs are known as statocyst. Okay, balancing organs. Now we will discuss about the two forms of these coelenterate. This is very very important. You will find these two forms. Some of them you will find in polyp, like polyp. Some of them you will find like medusa, and some will show polyp as well as medusa. Both the type of forms you will find in the same individual that we will discuss. So polyp structure is cylindrical. They are sessile. They are static at one position. Asexual. There is no statocyst which is balancing organ. Examples are Adamsi and Hydra. Medusa, they are umbrella like. They are free swimming and they are sexually reproductive. Statocyst is present for the balance, and Aurelia as an example. A very important thing is polyp, they form coral reefs. Very, very beautiful. I'll show you the picture in the end. They're made up of calcium carbonate and they are actually the living organism. This is not dead. Now, the organism which show both the type of forms, polyp and medusa, they are this particular property is known as metagenesis or alternation of generation. What happens that polyp reproduce asexually to form medusa and medusa sexually reproduce to form polyp. This occurs alternatively. That's why this is known as alternation of generation. This is a very important property found in in this phylum. Alternation of generation shown by some of the members like Obelia, very very good example. Visalia as well. I've written the example. So stinging cells, like I told you in the beginning, they're present in the tentacles. They contain nematocyst. So nematocyst is actually the stinging capsule present in the stinging cell. The function is offense and defense, protection from the predator, and to attach, encouragement. Okay, now there are some examples. You can see these are the beautiful corals, and you can see this is again the polyp and medusa form. And this is the diagram given in the NCERT. This is very very important of the stinging cell, and these are again some of the examples. So we have discussed coelenterate in this. Next we will discuss about the ctenophores. Thank you so much.